Hello, my dear students. Welcome again to my virtual classroom. Today, we'll continue with the chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. In previous class, we have learned the meaning of natural vegetation, factors responsible for natural vegetation, different types of natural vegetation. Today, we will learn forest and its different types. In previous class already we discussed about the meaning of forest. So forest is an area of land which is densely covered with trees. Forests are huge groups of trees and plants that grow in regions with medium to hot temperatures and plentiful rains. So my dear children, remember in your book the different types of forest just be classified as tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest, temperate deciduous forest, Mediterranean vegetation, coniferous forest. Now my dear children, we are going to discuss the first classification of forest, and that is tropical evergreen forest. Location of tropical evergreen forest. This forest is also known as rainforest. They occur in region near the equator and the tropics. Features. They receive a heavy rainfall throughout the year. Due to the absence of particular dry season, trees in rainforest doesn't shed their leaves altogether, and that is why they are called evergreen. So, why tropical rainforest also called as evergreen forest? Because due to the absence of particular dry season, trees in rainforest do not shed their leaves altogether, and that is why they are called evergreen. Remember children, this point is very important. The trees in tropical evergreen rainforest grow closer to each other and they have thick canopies. Canopies means tree cover at the top. So sunlight doesn't penetrate them and reach the ground even in the daytime. Important trees and wildlife in tropical evergreen forest. Important trees in rainforest are rosewood, mahogany, ebony. They are also called the hardwood trees. Remember, anaconda is one of the largest snake found in the tropical evergreen forest. Second classification is tropical deciduous forest. Location, they are also called the monsoon forest and are found in India, Northern Australia and Central America. Features. The trees are there experience seasonal change and shed their leaves in the dry season to save water. Okay. Trees and wildlife. Hardwood trees found there are shal, teak, neem and shisham, and they are very useful in making furniture, transportation and construction materials. Main animals found in those forests are tigers, lions, monkey, elephants and langurs. Third classification is temperate evergreen forest. They are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region and mostly in the eastern margin of the continents. Important trees of temperate evergreen forest. That important trees are oak, pine and eucalyptus. The fourth classification is temperate deciduous forest. Location, they are found in higher latitudinal region like northeast of the USA, New Zealand, China and Chile. Features, they shed their leaves in the dry season. Trees and wildlife in temperate deciduous forest. The common trees are oak, ash, beech, etc. Deer, wolves, fox are common animals found over there, and pheasant and the moonal are common birds we can see in the temperate deciduous forest. Our next classification is Mediterranean vegetation. Location. This type of vegetation gets its name from the Mediterranean Sea bordering Europe, Asia, Africa and the west and southwest margins of the continents are covered with it. It is also found in Southwest America, Africa, Australia, regions that are marked with hot, dry summers and the mild, rainy winters. Trees and wildlife. Cultivation of citrus fruits takes place in areas with Mediterranean vegetation, and not much of wildlife is found there. Move to the last classification of forest, and that is coniferous forest. Location. They are found in the higher latitudes of northern hemisphere such as Himalayas and also known as taiga vegetation. Remember, coniferous forest also called as taiga vegetation. Trees and wildlife. They have soft-toothed evergreen trees such as cheer, pine and deodar that are used to make pulp for the paper and box making industries. The important animals there are silver fox, the mink and the polar bear. So my dear children, that's enough for today's class. We will discuss the rest of the portion in our next class. Till now, bye, take care and happy learning.